device, use smartphone OPPO A54s, version 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look completion to the device. In completion we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable and headphones. Okay, good completion. And protected back cover on this. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side. On this side, warm keys. On this side, power key. Slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay. Open tests, Geekbench 5. Android 11. MediaTek MT 6765 GPU, PowerVia G8320. This GPU. Results: single core score, multi-core test results, and GPU test results. Close this. Look into the benchmark results. And do the benchmark results. Close this. Okay, and now run the demanding game Beta Sunrise. Look how this game works on the device. Game looks good on the low graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera.